COVID-19 related deaths are mounting across the United States of America. Earlier projections predicted a staggering number of 200,000 deaths. However, President Donald Trump has said that the U.S. might not witness more than 100,000 deaths. The U.S. is the worst affected country in the world, with more than 64,000 deaths already and over 1 million positive cases. In the last 3 days alone, more than 6,000 people have died and around 30,000 have tested positive. But President Trump seems to be hopeful. White House officials now believe that the death toll will be below 100,000.
We're all wearing masks anyways.
People were thinking in terms of 1.5 million lives lost to 2.2 without the mitigation. And hopefully we're going to come in below that 100,000 lives lost, which is a horrible number. Nevertheless, it's a horrible thing. Could have been stopped.
A new study from a Minnesota-based Center for Infectious Diseases has said that COVID-19 may well last 18 to 24 months, given that only 6 million, around 19% of the population, have been tested for the virus till now. But the 2-week-long White House guideline to fight COVID-19 has expired, and close to 30 states are coordinating with each other to put forward an exit plan for the lockdown measures. Medical experts and scientists around the world are working tirelessly to develop a vaccine for COVID-19. Several drugs have been used to treat the symptoms, but no specific drug has been identified to completely cure the virus. However, after close to 30 COVID-19 patients in the U.S. who were administered with remdesivir having recovered from the infection, hopes are riding high now on remdesivir to treat COVID-19 patients in the wake of a vaccine. President Trump also said that the U.S. Food and Drug Administration has granted authorization to Gilead Sciences to use remdesivir in treating COVID-19 patients. The U.S. National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases, which oversaw the human trial, also said that patients on remdesivir had a 31% faster recovery time than those on a placebo.
I'm pleased to announce that Gilead now has an EUA from the FDA for remdesivir. And you know what that is, because that's been the hot thing also in the papers and in the media for the last little while. An important treatment for hospitalized coronavirus patients.
After being isolated for close to 4 weeks in the White House, President Trump finally moved from the Capitol for the time being. Leaving White House grounds, he flew to Camp David in Maryland for the weekend. However, he confirmed that he would continue to practice social distancing to avoid infection of the lethal virus.